Tyler Orton joins us now from Business in Vancouver with his business headlines. Good morning, Tyler.
Good morning, Sam.
So we're going to start, this is an apt way to start the day with some coffee, but not such great news for Starbucks.
No, a lot of disappointed investors this morning. Starbucks posted its quarterly financial results yesterday after markets closed. Markets did not respond too kindly. Shares fell 4%, and they were all very disappointed with profit and revenue. If we take a look at the numbers, I can break it down for everybody here. Revenue, $5.24 billion. That sounds like a huge number. It is, but analysts, and this is according to FactSet, they were expecting revenue of $100 million more than that. Meanwhile, profit hit the $754 million mark. So those sound like big numbers, but people are expecting a lot more from Starbucks. If you look at what their financial results say, foot traffic was flat year over year. They weren't drawing in any more new customers. A lot of people are pointing to their new loyalty rewards program that was rolled out during the last quarter. It made people have to spend more money on items until they got a freebie. For example, it would cost about an average of $62.50 before anybody would get a free item. Meanwhile, a lot of the baristas, they were training with this new program, and Starbucks says that caused the company to delay the launch of a new Frappuccino. So we're seeing a lot of disappointed people and investors, and maybe just customers are disappointed that they had to spend even more money to get that freebie that they were all looking for.
Isn't $60 about the cost of a Starbucks coffee? You know,
yeah, exactly.
You get your freebie after one. All right, thanks for that. Now we're going to talk about inflation numbers that are out this morning for Canada.
Yeah, looking at the June inflation numbers, a lot of numbers that the Bank of Canada actually likes to see here. If we take a look at the boards, I can break it down for you here. BC numbers, pretty solid, 2% growth in inflation over the month of June. And remember, we actually want inflation to be around 2%. It encourages spending as opposed to people hoarding all their money in the bank. And good numbers for BC, decent numbers for the rest of Canada. It's at 1.5%. Core inflation, that strips away all those volatile things like food, gasoline, because guess what? If you look at where the prices of food and gasoline are, they're a little bit crazier than they were the month before. Beef, that actually dipped 3.3% versus 1.8% growth in food overall. The reason why I'm circling out beef here, though, is that this is the first time we've seen a decrease in the price of fresh beef or frozen beef since August of 2010. So this is very notable here. The other thing to highlight, of course, gasoline prices, those are down 8.5% compared with the month before. So the other thing that I just want to mention here is that we are seeing fresh fruit. That's been the talk of town for a lot of people at the grocery stores. Those prices went up 2.2% in the month of June versus an increase of 8.2% the prior month. So we are seeing these numbers start to plateau just a little bit, which will definitely save some people some money at the grocery store.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you for that, Tyler. If you'd like some more information, you can head to BIV.com. Have a great weekend, Tyler.
Thank you. You too.